In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to operate Clipboard, you need to simply copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, obviously just click on it at the top of your keyboard, but to paste it later on, click on Clipboard. Now you can paste wherever you wish to by clicking on it here. Quick tip though, if you won't pin one of your clips, it will disappear after an hour. So to make sure it stays here, hold it and click on Pin. You can unpin it the same way. By holding it, you can always use all of those options as well. Like edit if you want to change something in your current pin, then save to save it, paste if you want to, and delete. If you want to delete something from Clipboard, you can also swipe it to the right or swipe it to the left. Now, to manage multiple things from Clipboard at once, use this pen at the top right corner, tap on all of them, and decide if you want to pin them or delete them. To disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!